This is full throttle. This is absolute full throttle. All right, so I'm pretty much yelling. I can't really even hear myself talk.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling.
What's up, guys? Today I am going to be taking apart this Sena Tufftalk headset that I have mounted on my helmet here, and I am going to be soldering in this 3.5 millimeter audio out into the ear cup so that I can plug that into this GoPro adapter, and then that into the GoPro so we can have audio into the GoPro. Essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be tapping into the microphone. So let me go ahead and crack this thing open, and we'll get her wired up. Alright, so this thing just pops off of here, like so. And then that little thing just pops out like that. Not too bad, it's just an ear cup and a piece of foam. And then in here we have the speaker. So we could pull that up. Let's go ahead and pull that wire, just be very careful. There we go, got the speaker off. Put that to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and take these 4 screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, by the way, guys, I actually have this little magnet on my screwdriver, so that when I put a screw on it, it stays on. See? Okay, so I can go ahead and pop this off. Just be careful for this gasket here. Pop off. And then that will actually go back on here for when we put it back together. Okay. So, what we are going to be looking for is the microphone in, which is this one right here. That's the port right there. So, we have the ground, which is this. This one and this one are ground, and then we have stereo, which is left and right. Okay, just remember, guys, that the 3.5 audio out you want to use for your GoPro adapter is only TRS. This adapter only supports TRS, which means that this 3.5 millimeter jack should only have 2 bands on it. 1, 2. So it actually has pretty much 3 wires, 1, 2, and 3. I've seen other microphones have 4, which is TRRS. But if you look at this one, it has 3 bands. 1, 2, 3. Which means that there's 4 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to make sure that you're using the TRS, which is the 2-band 1, 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this plug off of here, and I'm going to go ahead and solder the 3 wires here to this microphone adapter, the microphone plug, which is going to be 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And we got left and right. Pretty simple. All right, got her soldered in. All right, there it is. A little bit sloppy, but it'll work. Right on the top here, there's a little filler because there's already a hole there. It's actually designed to put this wire on either side. So you can pop that cap out and then you can run your new wire right through there. Perfect. So just make sure when you put it back together, you have this seal all the way around. Tucked in there good. And we will go ahead and reinstall her. All right. I just got the last screw in. I got that put back together there. Now I'm gonna put that on. That. And that should be good. We got that back together. All right, let me go ahead and put it back on the helmet and assemble it.
All right, let's give this a try. Clear prop. All right, let's give her a try here. We'll see how she does. There goes Dylan on his dirt bike. He's getting good at riding that thing. All right, so I've got it started up. Let's go audio test at quarter throttle. Test 1, 2. All right, we're testing it. So this is throttle. This is quarter throttle, half throttle test. Test 1, 2, half throttle. Now let's go to 3/4 throttle. 3/4 throttle, 3/4. Okay, now this is full throttle. This is absolute full throttle. So we'll see how this sounds, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys. So de-throttling. All right, and back to idle.
So I took my Sena Tufftalk off of this helmet and I put it on this helmet. So here it is all finished up. You can see the audio out wire that I added there. So the audio out comes out of the left ear cup for the Sena Tufftalk. It comes up to this Velcro, which holds it onto the helmet. And then it goes into the GoPro adapter. The 3.5 millimeter jack goes into the GoPro adapter. And then you can see that the adapter goes over here and it plugs into the GoPro. So that is the audio in for the GoPro.
All right, I'm gonna go for it. Woo! I'm up, baby, I'm up. Huh. Oh, wow. I'm high now, baby. You know what I gotta get? I gotta get a tether for my phone. I don't think I've ever been this high in this area. Wow. Check 1, 2. Dude. I currently have the throttle at idle, okay? Let's go ahead and go up to a quarter throttle. Okay, we got a quarter throttle. This is a test. How can you guys hear me? Pretty good? I can hear my side tone pretty good, so that's a good thing. Okay, so I think you guys can hear me pretty well. This is a test. Just testing to see how well. Alright guys, I have it at full throttle now, so let's see how well this works. Alright, test 1, 2. So yeah guys, that was a test. Right now I'm at like cruising speed, so if I am gonna talk, if there's gonna be any time that I talk, it will be right now, like at cruising. I'd say I'm probably at 4,500 RPM, maybe 5,000, somewhere in there. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and if you guys enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button for more future flights. Until next time, we'll see you then.